All right, this is the Honors per Calculus, Chapter 8.1, the right triangle trigonometry application. So let's get started. This is an easy lesson. All right, so you know that the tangent 12 degrees is basically the same thing as cotangent 78 degrees. So you basically subtracting cotangent 78 degrees to itself, you're gonna get 0. Okay, so next one, number 22. You gotta know that cosine 40 degrees is basically the same thing as sine 50 degrees. Okay, so sine 50 degrees divided by sine 50 degrees, you get 1. Okay, let's check out the next one. It's going to be a little bit more challenging. Number 24. So we know that cosecant square 85 degrees, you can rewrite that as secant square 5 degrees. Okay, so my goal is to rewrite everything into the same degrees. So in this case, you can see that everything is in just 5 degrees. All right, so the next thing I want to do, or I will do, is I'm going to rewrite them into x and y's. So 1, I'm going to write it as, I'm going to hold up on that. I'm going to write tangent square 5 degrees as y squared over x squared. And then secant square 5 degrees, I'm going to write 1 over x degrees. So I'm going to rewrite the 1 as x squared over x squared. Okay, so this allows me to see the common denominator. And when I add everything up, it's going to be x squared as my common denominator. So I got x squared plus y squared minus 1. And you know that x squared plus y squared equals to 1. Okay, so it's going to be 1 minus 1 over x squared. So it's going to be 0 divided by x squared. Answer is going to be 0. All right, so number 26. For this one, you need to know that sine 50 degrees, you can rewrite that as cosine 40 degrees. Okay, the reason I want to convert that to 40 degrees is that because I see other two measures are in 40 degrees. All right, so the next thing I want to do is know that cosine 40 degrees, if you're subtracting cosine 40 degrees over sine 40 degrees, cosine over sine is going to be cotangent, right? So you got cotangent 40 degrees, subtract another cotangent 40 degrees, that's going to be 0. Check out the last one. All right, so right here, we got the secant 35 degrees. I'm going to see that, oh, okay, because this is 55 and that's 55. So I can probably just change all the 35 degrees to 55. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to rewrite the secant 35 degrees as cosecant 55 degrees. Okay, and then I'm going to rewrite times cosecant 55 degrees, subtracting. Now I'm going to rewrite the tangent 35 to cotangent 55 times cotangent 55 degrees. Okay, so now I can just multiply every like term. So I get cosecant square 55 degrees subtracting cotangent 55 degrees. Knowing that the cosecant square 55 is going to be 1 over y squared minus cotangent is going to be x squared minus y squared. Okay, so now we got the common denominator, which is y squared. So 1 minus x squared is going to be the numerator. So y, that's going to be y squared over y squared, which equals to 1. Okay, that's it for this short lesson. Take care. Peace out.